need. We can't be friends, but I'd like to just pretend. You cling to your papers and pens, wait until you're like